Now I'm going to talk about what is acid rain. Acid rain, also known as acidic deposition, are a result of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides react with water molecule in the air, producing rain contained with acidic properties such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and lower the pH value of the rain to 4.5 and below. Now we are going to talk about how acid rain happen. Okay, factories, agriculture, and also lorries and motorcycle will produce nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxides, and this compound will start to evaporate and react with water vapor. When it reacts with water vapor, it will produce nitric acid and sulfuric acid. That is the main compound in the acid rain. So, when this happens, the pH scale of the rain is lower than 4.5 and below. When the rain is poured down, it will cause the soil to become more acidic and also causing corrosion of buildings and metals. Now I will pass this to Adam.
Cause 1. Burning of fossil fuels. When human burns fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the atmosphere. Those air pollutants react with water, oxygen, and other substances to form airborne sulfuric and nitric acid. Winds may spread these acidic compounds through the atmosphere and over hundreds of miles. When acid rain reaches Earth, it flows across the surface in runoff water, enters water systems, and sinks into the soil. Cause number 2. pH value of rainwater. The pH value of rainwater is around 5.7, giving it an acidic nature. The oxides of nitrogen and sulfur are blown away by the wind along with the dust particles. They settle on the Earth's surface after coming down in the form of precipitation. Acid rain is essentially a byproduct of human activities which emit oxides of nitrogen and sulfur in the atmosphere. Moving on to the effects of acid rain. The first effect is acid rain can cause health issues. Air pollution like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can cause respiratory diseases or can make these diseases worse. Respiratory diseases like asthma or chronic bronchitis make it hard for people to breathe. The pollution that causes acid rain can also create tiny particles. The pollution that causes acid rain can cause tiny particles that when it gets into people's lungs, they can cause health problems or can make existing health problems worse. Moving on to the effect number 2. Acid rain deposits damage physical structures. Acid deposition also affects human-made structures. The most notable effects occur on marble and limestone, which are common building materials found in many historic structures, monuments, and gravestones. Sulfur dioxide, an acid rain precursor, can react directly with limestone in the presence of water to form gypsum, which eventually flakes off or is dissolved by water.
Moving on to the ways of prevention. First, we can use public transport. Since cars are a major contributor to acid rain pollution, using public transport can help to reduce the auto emission toxic fumes from the vehicle. Other than that, we can use alternative fuels. This is an alternative for us to stop using non-renewable sources of energy and switch to a renewable sources of energy like solar, water, and wind. Next is energy conservation. For instance, turn off the light, shut down the computers and televisions before you leave the room, and make sure to only use air conditioner when it is really needed. Moreover, replanting the plants. As you all know, most of green plants is natural air filters. That's why we need more of them to balance the air from any harmful composition which can lead to acid rain pollution. And lastly, run a campaign promoting awareness. This campaign will help to provide awareness to everyone about the harm of acid rain and why we need to prevent it from happening.